Hello, I'm Del the Do-It-Yourselfer, and I've got a product eval which I'm really going to love because lemonade's my favorite drink. And these people, the Santa Cruz people, take their organics seriously. The sustainables and all the rest of it is how it affects the planet. So let's see how this is going to taste. We'll pour it in the cup. It's just out of this world. If you like lemonade, this is for you. It's a little tangy. And it's healthy and so forth. Contains 12% juice. I knew I'd like this one before I even opened the cap. But there it is. Santa Cruz Organic Lemonade in the brand new do-it-yourself Del logoed cup.